Hi guys, today I'll be showing you a tutorial on how to get Kaspersky Internet Security. Um, this will be Kaspersky Internet Security 2013. It is 100% working with 365 days of working internet security. You heard that right. 365 days completely free of Kaspersky Internet Security 2013. Personally, one of the best antiviruses out there. So let's just get this tutorial started. And like I always do in my previous tutorials, because I understand there's some people that learn through through a little walkthrough, I've gone ahead and uninstalled the product that I'm doing a tutorial on, just because I know there's some people that prefer me walking through it. I know I am one of those people. So I apologize if you find this tutorial to be a little too long, but please understand there's some people that just learn on a different level. So let's just get this started. Like I said, I've uninstalled it, and what you will need is uTorrent. Right here. Please, I provided a direct link to everything to make your life easier. So just go in the description below, and you'll see uTorrent. Hit it. It'll take you directly to what I'm seeing right here, the uTorrent/download site. Pick your preferred operating system, whichever one you're running. Most likely you're running a Windows, so I'd say keep this here, but if you're running a Mac or Linux, pick whichever one. And do not worry about the buy uTorrent. You don't need that. Just hit download now. You're gonna hit that download now. It's gonna give you this little wonderful message that makes my day. Gives me a little smile every time I see it. And you'll see it right here. I've downloaded this 21 times because I love seeing this message. And its installation is self-explanatory, so I'm not going to get too in-depth with that. Just install it. If you're having a problem with the installation, please feel free to comment down in the comment section below. But I don't think you have a problem with it. Now, to the next order of business. We're here to get Kaspersky Internet Security. Again, direct link to what you're seeing here. We're going to go to my favorite site in the whole wide world, Pirate Bay. Now, here we go. As you can see, Kaspersky Internet Security, 100% working. Keys 365 days. Thanks to Team Nanban. This is the first time I've heard of them, but they have personally become my best friend after this torrent, and I'll show you why. So, after you've downloaded uTorrent, you've successfully installed it, it's given you an icon on your desktop. You want to go hit this torrent, or get this torrent. Never anonymous download, always get this torrent right here with the little magnet here. And I've read the description below. You're going to get this torrent, and when you do that, for first-time users, you're going to get a little message. Let me drag this over here because I'm using dual monitors. You're going to get a little message from Google Chrome if you're running Google Chrome. That says, do you want to launch this application or something at the bottom? Just hit, click the box to always do, and launch the application so you won't have to see that message, and this will automatically pop up. As you can see, these are the keys to get a certain amount of days. So we want to click OK. And when you do that, automatically, let me hit this right here. There you go. Automatically, it's gonna pop up now. As you can see, I'm currently downloading something. Now, I've removed this, but because I have it, it automatically picked it up. I already have it in my system. I couldn't delete it. But for you, it'll start downloading almost immediately. The seeds are pretty high for this. So when you see that green bar start downloading, wait a little bit. Be patient. You should wait no longer than 5 minutes. And when it's done, what you want to do is you want to left click it until it's highlighted blue. Then hit stop this torrent. Boom, it's stopped. And you want to find it. As you can see, it'll be in the K's. Since if you're a first-time user, it's the only one you have. Hit K's right here. And you want to double click on it. It might, uTorrent might warn you if you want to, open it. Yeah, open it. It's not a big deal. I have it right here. This is what it's going to look like. Let me get bigger for you there. And this is what it's going to look like. Don't worry about the picture there. Minimize that one. Alright. Now always hit the readme. And this is what the readme is going to look like. Let's see what we're going to have to deal with. Kaspersky Internet Security contains 7 keys which are working 100% tested. After installing, has 2013. Disconnect from the internet. Then choose licensing option. Enter this. Choose. Now this, I've dealt with stuff like this before. This is, you're going to have to disconnect from the internet for this one. It's telling us plain as day. So if you're using an Ethernet cord connected to your laptop or a desktop, please unplug your Ethernet cord after you're done watching this video, so I can, I prefer that you watch this video fully and then go back to it, so there be no mess ups. So like I said, just disconnect your Ethernet cord, unless you're watching this video on an iPod or a phone. Disconnect your Ethernet cord, or if you're using Wi-Fi. Now I don't use Wi-Fi. I use a landline. So if you're using Wi-Fi, please disconnect. To make this easier, what we want to do is we don't want to let Kaspersky connect to home when we're doing the beginning installation, because we're basically, with this number right here, we're going to trick it into thinking that you have it registered. So we're going to trick it into skipping to the next step so we can provide the key. And we can't do that if it's connecting to the home server, because it'll be like, hey, I know what you're up to. So alright, next, after that, locate the file browser, disconnect from internet, and it seems pretty simple, guys. So what we're going to do is we're going to minimize this. Again, I suggest minimize it. If you have a problem or anything, please come back to it. You should have no problem, though. We'll get to this one at the end. I completely forgot and apologized. This will be in the description as well. You will need Kaspersky the trial. So it's on the same site where you got the torrent from. The uploader from Team Nanban was kind enough to provide a link. So here it is. Here's the link from the official Kaspersky.com. So just download the trial. All you need to do is just download the trial. And while it's downloading, just be patient, just let it download. We're gonna go back. Feel free to reread the tutorial or the little thing here. Make sure everything's on the up and up. And this isn't really the trial. I mean, it's the full thing, but you only have access to like 30 days of it, which kind of sucks, especially if you've already used the 30 days. So it's almost done. Give it a minute. I'm going to pause the video until it's done. And as you can see, it's already downloaded down here. KIS 13. I've already downloaded this previously. That's why you see the 1 there. But I have uninstalled, so that's fine. Again, what it said, and I will show you again. Uninstall, or not uninstall. Disconnect from the internet before applying the keys. So I am going to go ahead and do that right now. I'm just going to unplug my Ethernet cord. Boom, it's done. I am disconnected from the internet. So it's very important that you do that, or this will not work. If you don't disconnect from the internet, you will have a very bad day. So just left click on this twice until it's open. It says opening. I'm going to assume it's opening. Sometimes things like this, depending on what you have running in the background, it will take some time. So I'm going to pause the video until it's actually up and running, or not. Here we go. I don't know if Kaspersky is picking this up. It says, do you want to run this file? Yes, I do. This is Internet Security. This is what we're here for. And here you can see it. Extract core base. It's extracting. So this is gonna take some while to get through the process, while it's downloading all the necessary stuff for your just to install in your computer. So I will pause until it's done downloading its necessary stuff. And once it's downloading, done downloading its little what do you call it, the little bar, it's going to pop up with this little thing right here, searching for new version of the application. Do not worry, just let it do what it's got to do. If you are disconnected from the internet, you're gonna have to skip this. It's gonna be stuck on please wait. So just hit skip, and yeah, hit skip. There you go. And welcome to Kaspersky Internet Security 2013. By clicking yes, I personally do not find for what we're doing in this, in this tutorial. I don't want to participate in Kaspersky to provide optimal protection for my computer. I don't want to participate in their little experiment here. So I just install. You can uncheck or check, whatever. Personal choice. And I just got sent a message. Don't know if you can see it. Do you want to allow the following program to make changes in this computer? I want to hit yes. That is what we're here for. So it'll be downloading. As you can see, 1 minute 44 seconds. But I'm not going to let you wait that long because I'm cool like that. So I'm going to pause the video. And as you can see, you get this message. For me, it took a little longer than a minute to download this, but wasn't too bad. So you're gonna get this message. Thank you for your choice of Kaspersky Lab. Start Kaspersky Internet Security. We actually do want this to do. We actually want it to launch. So, boom, it's gonna launch. And we want it to launch so we can install the keys. So it's gonna take some time to launch. I'm gonna pause the video again. And yeah, this will pop up for you. Hopefully you see it. Kaspersky Internet Security collecting system data. Just let it do what it's got to do. All it's doing is just basically initializing its internet securityness. And I got both of these running. This little thing popped up with a noise. Usually, the Kaspersky, when a virus is detected in your system, a noise will pop up. Same noise popped up here. And as you can see, protection is not running. So, it's freaking out because it wants to protect your computer, but you haven't enabled it yet. So, what we saw in the notepad. So, as you can see, what we have here. We need to put this number in, and you can either do this by one of two ways. Hit Control C, that's CTRL on your keyboard. Control C, or just right click, copy and paste, or copy. And then we want to hit that. We want to put it in here. Make sure your internet is not plugged into your computer. This is very important, or this will not work. And hit Control V, or just simply type in a bunch of ones, and the last one, make sure it is an X. So as you can see, it'll be like this: 1 1 1 1 1 on all three rows, or three boxes, and the last one 1 1 1 1, and the last one will be an X. And we're gonna hit next. And please wait connecting to server. Now that's fine. It's trying to connect to the home server, but since you've hopefully disconnected from the internet, it's not going to, and instead will give you an error message. And that's what we want. See? Check connection setting and retry activating the application. We don't need that. Do you know why? Because we're gonna activate the application if activating the application fails. See, we got key files. That's good. So to make it more easy for you, what I want to do is show you to put this on your desktop. So it'll just be easy for you to find, unless you're okay with this. I'll show you one way. I'll show you the normal way that I do it. You should get this right here if you didn't already. Should. What you want to do is, because it gave you the error message because you're not connected online, go to Browse. Go to Recent Places, And for me, it'll be my downloads. And what we want to do is find the case. 100% working. We want to right click, open, and we see the keys here. Now I'm not going to put the key in just yet, and for people who cannot find what I just went through, go to your uTorrent, double click on Kaspersky Internet Security. You're going to see this right here. As you can see, we want to actually highlight this. See, it's going to be located in the downloads folder. Backspace it until you only see downloads, hit enter, and it's going to be in this folder. You got to find it. It's going to be in the case. It's going to be right here, 100%. I have 3. Don't worry about those. It's going to say 100% for you because you know, you're going to basically have 1 internet security. So what we want to do is we want to move this to the desktop. So I want to move this to the desktop. And it's telling me, it said I have 1 open. Let me see if I have 1 open. We're going to cancel. And we're going to cancel this. And, oh, it worked. I have it on the desktop. See, let me drag it for you to see. Let's minimize all these. Minimize. I have it right here. It's right there, Kaspersky Internet Security. If you have anything open from the folder, like the notepad that you know, I previously showed you, exit out of it. Make sure everything is closed, and put it on your desktop. It'll be right here, and we're gonna browse. Go to your desktop, and a bunch of stuff is gonna pop up. I find this to be easy. See, look at that. Boom, right here. Already found it. Didn't even have to try that hard. What we want to do is we don't want to double click because it just it does this mess. Oh, no, I'm sorry. We do want to double click. If it doesn't open right away for you, let me show you again. If it doesn't open right away for you, right click, open, boom, right here, same mess. Now, I've done this before, and the first key right here, it gives me 196 days. And I'm going to show you. Now, this torrent said 365 days. So the rest should have some days with them. It should have a lot of days is what I'm trying to say. Can't think straight. So we want to hit this one. See, until it's highlighted blue, we want to hit open. See, it's already here. This is where it's going to open. What we want to do is hit next. Activation completed successfully. Finish. Boom. Threats none. Main enabled. Have not updated for a long time. Don't worry about that. I'll explain that right now. License 196 days remaining. And as you can see, your computer is now protected. You have no threats enabled. Have not updated for a long time. Don't worry, we'll fix this right now. But license, if you can see that, squint your eyes real quick, 196 days remaining. Now, again, as I said in the beginning of this video, and as you saw in the torrent, 365 days. But wait, this says 196. Well, that is because the rest of the days are here. Whoa, I moved that torrent. Or not that torrent, the file. This one has 196 days. I am not quite sure what this one has because I've only done one. And, but I've read the comments and it seems to be legit. This has given me 196 days, and even if it doesn't, which, you know, I'm not saying that it's not going to, this is some pretty good days. This promised me 365 days, so you should be set for a year.